This Mercedes GLE 450 got involved in a little fender bender, and we were called to help. A body shop was contacted first, and our customer showed us the estimate where he was quoted $10,000. They were going to replace the hood, and because of that, we're going to have to repaint not only the new hood, but both fenders and the rail, and the bumper needed some painting as well, so that was also included in that price. But this hood was aluminum, and many people mistakenly think it's going to be easier to repair aluminum, but because it's a lot more difficult to repair than your traditional steel, we've heard that some technicians won't even touch aluminum panels. So how do we price multiple dents like this on the same panel? Well, we add the inches together and then add on any factors that would make the repair more difficult, such as depth. Is it on an edge? What type of metal are we dealing with? Like aluminum in this case. And how are we going to get access with our tools behind the dents, etc. So as you can see here, we didn't drill any holes in order to make this repair because we were able to use the existing access points to get our tools behind the dents. And this repair really turned out nicely. The customer was so happy he was able to save his hood and keep the original paint finish, which is always best. Paintless Dent Repair was the perfect solution for this damage. This dent removal was done in a day at the customer's home, and that is what we call convenience. Contact Coastal Excellence Mobile Dent Repair today, where excellence matters.